Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore payment history in QuickBooks Online for credit cards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore payment history for credit cards in QuickBooks Online, start by logging into your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the settings gear icon located in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. In the left sidebar, click on the Billing and Subscription tab. Look for Payment History within this section. Click on the View Payment History link. You will be directed to a new page displaying your payment records. If the payment history is missing, check the date range filter at the top right of the page. Adjust the date range to include the period you need to restore. Once the correct date range is set, the payment history should automatically refresh. If the records still do not appear, return to the Settings menu. Select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down list. Locate the credit card account from which you want to restore the payment history. Click on the View Register or Account History option for that credit card. Review the transactions listed to verify whether the payments are recorded. If payments are absent, click on New Transaction to manually add any missing payments. Fill out the necessary fields, including date, amount, and payment method. Make sure to categorize the expense correctly under the relevant account. Once all details are filled in, click Save and Close to complete the entry. Return to the payment history page to check if the newly added payments appear. If issues persist, consider contacting QuickBooks support for further assistance. Keep your records organized to avoid any future discrepancies in payment history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.